There are several advantages of taking treatment in nursing homes compared to hospitals in the Indian context. Cost-effective. Nursing homes are generally less expensive than hospitals for routine medical procedures and treatment. They also tend to offer more affordable long-term care options. Personalized care. Nursing homes are often smaller than hospitals, which means that patients receive more personalized attention from healthcare providers. Comfortable environment. Nursing homes typically have a more comfortable and homely environment than hospitals, which can help patients feel more at ease and aid in their recovery. Reduced risk of infections. Since nursing homes typically have fewer patients than hospitals, the risk of contracting infections is also lower. Rehabilitation facilities. Many nursing homes have rehabilitation facilities for patients who require physical therapy or other forms of rehabilitation. This can be particularly beneficial for patients who need long-term care. Family involvement. Nursing homes often encourage family involvement in the care of their loved ones, which can help patients feel supported and connected. It is important to note, however, that not all nursing homes provide high-quality care, and patients and their families should carefully evaluate their options before choosing a nursing home for treatment.